Hi, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog. So it's 6:15 in the morning. I got up and it's raining. It's not rained for months now. It's been absolutely red hot and scorching. So this video was going to be an adventure Sundays. I was going to go hiking up on my moors, but that ain't happening. So I'm going to have to find something else to do. So it's going to be a Berlingo video. I did some work on the Berlingo the other day. I made a privacy blind out of the insulated foam floor tiles. So this is going to be a short video. Right, okay. So here it is. Okay, this is a car at the minute. Not done out from my holiday. As you can see here, LED strips fell down. So I'm going to make a paper template for this window here. That's a paper template made, so it'll fit both sides. So it's going out of focus. It'll fit both sides, so I'm going to cut something out now. Whether a piece of card or foam, I'm not so sure. Hello. Hello. Okay, we've got a piece of foam tile that was on the floor, if you can see it. What are you doing? Hey, oh, I'm getting mugged. Right, okay, we've got a piece of foam that's spare from the floor. So if you look at the template, it just fits. So let's cut it out. Okay, so I've drew the pattern out. I'm going to get some bigger scissors and cut it out. I'm going to leave like a couple of millimetre extra over just in case I want it to fit firm and not fall out. So that's it, cut out to shape. As you can see, a millimetre over on the top, the corners, just to hold it in snug. Let's go and fit it. That's it, fitted. You can see it's a nice snug fit. Now I'm going to make a template for this one, same as that with foam, but tonight I'm going to draw something on this. If you've seen the design that I did inside the kitchen unit, what's now covered, I'm going to do that on it.